With us now to break down how these partnerships are driving growth for his company is UiPath co-founder and CEO Daniel Dines. Good to have you. So if I recall, your major customers include DHL, Walmart. You're taking your automation platform, updating it for generative and agentic AI. With the questions out there about the stability of AI demand and this infrastructure push, it seems like your customers are the sweet spot that should be seeing huge agentic demand to run their businesses. So what are you seeing?
Yeah, we have a lot of experience into automating business processes that are transactional in nature. And while RPA was a great technology for addressing processes that are rule-based in nature, AI, it helps us to extend our reach. So now we have introduced agentic automation and orchestration in order to be a player in end-to-end process automation. And the combination between AI and RPA and automation, it's extremely powerful, and our customers resonates pretty well.
And what I mean is, I suspect that of all of the CEOs out there, you could give us some sense of the momentum in how customers see the opportunity to save money, because they were already working with you to do that in a smaller or more specific area. Now, agentic should give them the opportunity to expand. So can you give investors a sense of how that demand might be expanding? Because it might help justify in some people's minds whether or not this infrastructure build-out has legs.
Well, while we are in the early innings of deployment of agentic AI, we see a very solid demand. I can think that, since the early days of RPA, I have not seen such a huge interest from customers in a renewed automation initiative interest. I think many of them realize that in order to deploy AI, you need to have both the foundation in data and the combination, again, between AI and automation is extremely powerful. Because many customers are asking themselves, how can I deploy this technology that is non-deterministic in a very reliable fashion? And the answer is really put a great foundation of automation, and then on the top of it, you can add AI. And that AI is going to drive the automation with humans in the loop, human validating the AI. And this is actually quite a powerful combo.
Daniel, it's Morgan. I keep finding myself having these conversations about this divergence, at least right now at this moment in time, between the hype, the promise, and the reality of AI within corporate America. As you do strike all of these partnerships, are companies ready to actually adopt and roll out this agentic AI? How big of an opportunity is that if they're not ready for UiPath?
Well, I think the answer is yes and no. I think the technology is pretty much ready, but in order to deploy at scale, we need to prepare for change management within the companies. We need a different workforce. And I think we need to think a bit bigger. I see many companies still just a bit touching the water in regards to AI. They don't pick up, the most difficult use cases. But once we work with a few customers that really get it and they want to go all in and they want to go fix some of their biggest pain, we see quite a tremendous interest, and the potential is huge.
Should we expect more partnerships from you?
Well, we always look to have, the best partnerships in the AI space. I think that especially in some sensitive workflows and processes, it's very important that we play like an agnostic player. So we aim to bring the best models and the best open source AI frameworks in order to give our customers the confidence they can address really the breadth of their use cases. So yes, I think that there will be more to come for sure.